In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get internet here on your PS5. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, you obviously need internet connection to play games online with friends, download updates, and access so many PS5 features. To get started, go up to the top right and select this little settings gear, and from here go into your network and then select settings just like so, and you're going to see a tab that says connect to the internet. Just make sure this is turned on and then select set up internet connection. From here you're going to see two different options. You're going to have a LAN option on here, which is wired, meaning it's using an Ethernet cable connected directly to your router. This is obviously the most stable option and recommended if it is available for you. If it's not, go ahead and do a wireless connection and just find your Wi-Fi network in here, enter in that password and connect. You'll also see a networks found section down towards the very bottom. If you want to connect to a new network, whenever you're connected, just check everything by going out of this option and then going to this connection status page, and you can test your internet connection right here as well as see your connection status. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. But that is it. Your PS5 is now going to be connected to the internet. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.